Okay, so I'm back. This is Kathy Cross. I'm in my YouTube channel, Geriatric Care 1, and we are doing the 20th playlist, and this is the VA, how to access benefits, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We're in the ugly and the bad now. So there's 3 channels, and you can go back and look that of channels the VA has actually given you to get help to access the benefits you're looking for your family member, your client, or family. I just talked about attorneys who just start processing your claim. Now we're going to talk about attorneys who will help you with highly specialized programs with the VA. And these, there's 2 groups. One is if your claim has been denied. You know, you've gone through all these very laborious, horrible steps, and the VA's, and my dad's claim was denied over and over again. I had a great service office, so I didn't go back and look at that. I didn't have to do this, but you can get a VA licensed attorney to do this. But just like everything I'm talking about, they're not really the greatest. What you should do is go, and I'll have it in my blog, to a site called Nova, and they have a whole listing, an online directory of attorneys that are accredited by the VA that are really good. So you really want to get the, because I mean you're fighting for a claim that's been turned down, and the VA at that point, zillions of paperwork up the yin-yang. The second largest group, number 1 is claims denied, are people who are trying to get disability benefits and they can't through the VA. And this is good, but it has its bad sides, because a lot of attorneys who specialize in elder law will do this, but on the second part, they may be trying to sell the VA recipient, him or herself, other for-profit services like elder law, which we're all familiar with, and I hope you are, and they'll be charging a fee. So, and that's a no-no within the VA. So they come on as helping you with these, access these disability benefits, but then on the side, they're going to offer to help you with other, wills, trust, adult child abuse, etc., all the things you know about. And that is a no-no. So again, I will put this Nova list of the people that are really not going to try to sell you things. So there's all these like loopholes in the help that they're giving you, which is really, isn't that all about bureaucracy? Even though, when I talk about bureaucracy, and I'll just tell you a little story at the end of this. If you get on an elevator and bureaucracy has offered you elevator inspection, which the federal government does on one elevator, and the other is non-inspected, which elevator are you going to get on? And so bureaucracy is not bad. It's just that some of the bureaucratic procedures need to be fixed, and this does. So I will see you next time. Go to my website, kathycross.com, especially since I blog around, and I'm able to give you much more information on my blogs and links to the services. Thanks.